Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm out here in the shop today messing with my watch bands. So I've been using the Bandletic watch bands for just a little while now, and I can tell you now these are some really good bands. This is a Fidlock watch band from Bandletic, which the Fidlock is magnetic and it just clips right into place like so. These work really good. This is a different style. This is a Fidlock Neo 2.0, and I haven't used these yet. So we're going to take these out of the package and check them out. Now, normally I had been using a style like this. This is my wife's watch band, which is just a stretch kind. But the problem with these are this stuff is cheap and it stretches out. It don't hold its character. It also slides here and then it don't fit tight. It's just, it's really cheap and you know it. So a good quality band like Bandletic is just a whole lot better. After I started using this Fidlock band, I really like it. It just made so much difference being able to just unbuckle this, clip it with the Fidlock. It's super strong. It ain't going anywhere. It can't come off. This is, like I said, this is the Neo 2 Fidlock magnetic band from Bandletic. So it's a little different. We're going to take these out of the package and then we'll check them out and see how it does because I've been using this Fidlock for a while. So we'll take this one off, and you can see here, this is a hook style. It's got a hook here and then a pin right here, but it is magnetic. And of course, this is premium nylon, like all of these Fidlock bands that Bandletic makes. We'll take this and it just clips right into place. It's that quick. And once you get used to it, it's just like second nature. You'll get used to hooking it and there's nothing to it. But it works really good. Really good construction. Stretchable, nylon, Velcro to adjust it. Just really nice. So we'll take these out of the box. This is the orange right here. This one here is going to be like a military green. Now you can also get this in a black, of course the orange, the green, and a space gray. They have different color options. And like I said, this same band fits the Apple Watch Ultra, the Apple Watch SE, like my wife's. Pretty much fits all the Apple Watches. Take this one out. So we will take this just like any Apple Watch. You just push this button here on the bottom to slide off the band that's on here. Push this button, slide the other side off. Like I said, these are just cheap, flimsy. They do work, and you know, to get you by, but a nice watch band like the Bandletic bands is a whole lot better. So we will take and put this green one here on hers. Now you can turn this either way depending on how you like it. Some people want when the watch is here, they want the latch to be right here. Some people want it here. And depending on if you're right or left-handed, I actually like them when the latch, or the buckle I should say, is on the bottom of my wrist like that. And these are premium aluminum latches right here. They also have the rubber inlay, and that makes them where they're going to be solid, not rattling around. The metal part here for locking, so they're not going nowhere once you put these in. They're really good quality. Instead of being like the other one I have over there that is cheap plastic. So there we go. And then you can loosen this up to put it on the first time, because what you're going to do is adjust it with this Velcro. And this is premium Velcro. This is really good stuff. As I said, this is stretchy material right here, so really nice. This latch is really cool because this is called a Fidlock V. And what you got here is this metal latch you raise up and it just comes unclipped, just super simple. And you can see this V part here. There's a V part here. They just hook together and it's magnetic, a really strong magnet. So once you get this even close to position where it goes, it's on. You don't have to push the lever, do anything, only to remove it. And once you get on there, that is not going nowhere. That is super strong. You probably pull a truck with that thing. It's really strong. So just raise that up. Once it's on your wrist and you get used to it, it's easier. Raise that up, pull it off. And this is my first time using it too. So once you get that close, like I said, boom, it just clicks right into place. Really nice. Really nice metal latch here. It looks good. Also, one thing cool about these is on the bottom side here, they have this pad here, and that covers the buckle part. So you're not having this plastic buckle part against your wrist. You're covered all the way with this premium nylon material, and it feels good on your wrist, just like that. And you can see how that goes. Looks like we also have a leather patch right here. It says Bandletic on it. And very nice, and a little pull handle here, so when you pull it around to put it on your wrist, you can pull that. Very nice. So let's go ahead and put this on. So we will put it on. Bring it down, like I said. How you buckle it is just like that. It's that quick. Pull this. Now, normally, once you get this set for your wrist size, you're not going to have to adjust this every time, this Velcro. This is just a one-time deal, or, you know, a couple times probably if you play around, get it exactly where you want it, depending on how tight you like your watch band to be on your wrist. I want mine snug, but I don't want it to where it spins. So now we just raise this up. I hold a finger here just to hold the watch from coming off. Pull that off. Like so, kind of. I'm not used to this one. I'm used to my other one, and it works great just like this one. Same difference as far as magnetic, pulls into place. Once you get it close, the magnet, then it's going to click right into place, just like that. It's kind of hard to show on video because my fingers are right in the way, and I'm trying to hold this. But like I said, after you've used that for just a couple days, if that, my last one over here, I actually had it figured out, and just it was nothing within the first few times of using it. But works really good. I love the Fidlock magnetic buckle. It is super cool. So these are really nice watch bands. I will go ahead and put the orange one on mine. So as I said, this is the green. It says green, but it looks military green to me. As you can see, I have the military green in this style. As I said too, this is also a Bandletic. It's just a different style Fidlock than this one. This is the Fidlock Neo 2, which is the V style. This is the other style Fidlock band that they have, and it's a hook. You can see the V right here. This one here has the hook, but basically they do the same thing. It's depending on what style you like. This one's going to seem really cool. I think I'm going to like this style, this V style. Probably a little bit quicker to latch. But as I said, I'm quick at this one now because you can see this style here. It does the same thing. Immediately, you pull up on the lever, you put it back, it just clips right into place. Super simple. And push this button down here. And as I said, these bands will fit pretty much any of the Apple Watches. You can get the sizes depending on what size you want for your wrist. Just measure your wrist if you don't know your wrist size, and it's just super simple to get the band that fits perfectly for you from Bandletic. Now, Bandletic has all kinds of other watch bands, not just the Fidlock. Different styles. You can go to the website with my link below and check them out. But they got all kinds of different bands that are premium watch bands. If you're like me and you're tired of using the cheap stuff and you want a good premium watch band, then I would suggest to go get a Bandletic. I'll do this one the same way until I put it on the first time, get it adjusted. I keep hitting my buttons. I keep touching my screen and messing with it. Bring it around. Get it where I want it. And there we go. So yeah, you can see the look of this. They look good. They fit good. The nylon doesn't bother you. It's not something stretchy. So in order to get the stretch band like this one to ever stay, you wanted it really snug. Well, then it was kind of squeezing on my wrist. I don't like that. This one here, I can adjust it where I want it. The Fidlock works great. And as I said, this is a metal lever here on this Fidlock, so it's really tough. This thing is built like a tank. You ain't got to worry about the watch band breaking on you or anything like that. Really good quality. So that is the Bandletic Fidlock Neo 2.0 magnetic band, guys. Check them out. I have a link in the description where you can. Thank you all for watching. God bless you all. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified when I put out a new video. And we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Ride on.